Hello guys, hello folks, good morning, have a good day, good morning, good evening, wherever you are, whatever country you live in. Thank you so much because you're still there, and thank you for God for the new day, for the new blessing, another opportunity to share something you guys today. So what I'm gonna show you today is just that what I got and I've learned for the past weeks. I've been busy guys, and then I'm gonna show you a little knowledge or some knowledge I've gotten, I've learned while I'm using this gadget or the talk of the town gadget right now. Okay, so that's it. Stay put lang kayo dyan, and then I'll gonna show you one by one and the function. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, I'm not yet perfectly knowledgeable about this. Whatever I could show you, it's just the knowledge I got through the search and learning while I'm using this gadget. Okay, so let's start. Are you ready? And do not expect too much or enough imperfect knowledge from me sooner, as the more I got, the more I get, and I got the knowledge or the function of this, I'm gonna let you guys know all of it. Okay? So right now, what I'm going to do is just give me the phone a little, show you what's this all about I'm telling, okay? First guys, we're talking about the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 or DJI O6. They call it O6. So, I already unboxed it because I need to open it. And I need to see how does it work so I could get some knowledge so I could share to you guys. Right? So, now, this is the box of DJI O6 or the Osmo 6, and then what is inside, it's here. I'm gonna show you later. But first, what made me encourage or how much I spended to have this kind of gadget and why I decided to buy it. Okay, it's very helpful guys, especially those who are making a content. So, I just bought it. I keep searching how much is this. Is mostly the price of this is $150 or 7,500, but I just got it only one of the mall I went, just 7,050 pesos. With 1 year warranty, I think, and then it's a simple gadget, but if you are careful enough, it wouldn't easily break. Okay, so now this is the box. What is inside? Of course, empty because the the content is outside. I'm weird. Anyway, guys, then I want the black one. There are two colors, the white one, the silver, and the black one. I'm wanting the black one, which just so happen they out of stock. So I have no choice that to take this one because I really want to have it. So that's why, but I am very careful naman in very neat when it comes to my things. So anyway, I don't have a problem even it's what color is this, okay? So right, let's start because time is running to make it short and make very understandable. Again, a simple knowledge that I'm gonna tell you today, okay? Here's the cord. There's no free adapter, guys. Any kind of adapter that we're using to your phone, it's okay. It's fit here, it's capable here, okay? Cord. And then how you connect it there later, give me a minute. And then, this is the two extra rubber. What's the function and what's this for? This is for the both side. This is the cell phone holder for you to connect it later to the VGI unit, okay? What's that use is when it's the more you're using it, this guys, the rubber both side is, sooner gonna be loosen, right? So you have to change it in order for it to hold your phone tightly, okay? And there are some part there. There's a two dot there, the metal, and that is the lock that when I connect it there, that could be the lock, okay? Later, I'll show you. And then, this is the tripod. What's the use of this one for the unit? To make it extension like a fit, okay? And then, this is the proper unit. It is locked, and I'll tell you how to lock it on it, put it, set it up, and lock it, okay? So, first, this is all I had. This is all the parts of the DJI Osmo, okay? The charger, the tripod, the cell phone holder, the cord, and this is the rubber, of course, the bag. Why, purpose of this bag, when you're going to take picture or video at sound, just put it inside all of this and then use it like this. So, it's handy, right? So, right now, we'll proceed the function. Okay. But first and first, you have to apply upload, guys, in your phone. But if your phone is iPhone, it is already uploaded there. The app, DJI app, the black one. Later I show you. But if it is Android, guys, as according to the salesman there, you have to upload it first. Right now, I'll show you how does it look like. This one, as you could see, guys, the black, ano there, DJI here. I downloaded it through my Play Store. And then, while you're using it, make sure your Bluetooth is on because it is needed to be connected. Okay? Now, I'll proceed to the setting up this unit. First, I have to connect it this. Guys, don't put too much pressure because this is very sensitive. Just a little like that. Make it tight. Check it tight. Okay. And then, you could make it spreaded like this. It serves as fit. Okay? Then, this one, I'll make sure, I will put my phone here. If you put your phone here unbalanced, this one will make your phone balance later. Okay? So, right now, I'm gonna attach this phone here. But first, I will flip it up. Oh, you hear the sound? That is on already. Now, I will put this one here. It is needed, guys. It has a lock there. As you could see the dot there, closer. The dot there. That is the button which you need to lock. So, it is magnetic, guys. So, I'll gonna put it here. I will check. If you just put it like this, it will fall. But just why check it. It is unbalanced. But when you make it lock, as you could see here, the button, find the lock. Oh, there. It's locked. So, even you keep in moving it, it won't fall, your phone. Why it's like this? Again, this is the one who'll make your phone balance, okay? Let's start. I'm gonna on my phone, guys. There. On it. So here, it's on. I'll go for, to started it, I'll go for the app. And then, my phone is unbalanced. I'll make it balanced through what? First, I'll show you the function. Guys, the function of this one is throttle to make it, your phone, if you want to make your phone, guys, up, you will push it down. You want to make your phone down, you will push it up, okay? I'll try later when it's already proper. And this button, guys, is to make your photo zoom. Zoom, small or big. I'll show you also later when it's properly set up. I'm just telling you. And then, this button, guys, is to make your camera flip back, front. And, for if you're making a video, this button, guys, back, front, press it to, and then, it will make front or back. Okay? And then, this button, guys, the yellow there is to start and stop the video. And then the button here, the black here, it is on and off. Very simple. Throttle to put and down to make your phone down and up. Just up, down, down. This one is the zooming to make your photo zoom or big. And this one is, flipping up the camera back and, back and front. And this is the start videoing and then stop. And this is on and off. You get it? And then there's another button here at the back. The use of this button, guys, is to make later, in order for you to follow this unit, there are a green square that you will press here in order that green to focus to the object or to the face. It is like face detector in order to follow it to you. And I'll do it in a few minutes to show it to you, okay? Since I already told you all the function, again, I'll repeat it. Zooming, guys, zoom, make it small, or your photo is big and small, far and close. And then this is the button for flipping back and front. This is the button for start and and the video, and this is the button on and off if you want. There are light indicator here. When it's yellow and green, it is fully charged. When the green when the green at the upper part is red, it's blinking. It needed to be charged. And this is the cord, just to connect your charger here. Very simple, guys. And then, of course, again, any adapter. Yes. And then, I will start making a video so you could see, guys. Okay? So, I'll start using it. First, I will flip the camera. Take a look. I will make it proper, guys. I will use this button, ha? Look. I will connect first the, okay, needed to be connected. Thus, I always saying the device, once it's connected, getting low, but na. Okay, then I'll make this camera proper. It's not connected. Starting to get low, but okay. Once you encounter that kind of trouble, guys, keep trying. Because sometimes, the Bluetooth, it won't work. So, start. Not mounted. We're having trouble to make the phone okay. Okay. Set it. It's already connected. Okay. Okay. I'm having trouble with the connection. Sorry for the interruption, guys. But keep watching. I'll show you until we get this. Okay. Oh, the magnetic is not, it says there. Sorry guys for the interruption. Sometimes you will, as the more you're trying to get it in well knowledge about it, you will encounter the, trouble or that. As long as you're willing to know, it will come to the point you'll get it. But here, it is very important, guys, that this is mounted. This one is properly attached, this one metal, because it won't work. And it will appear here, if the phone is not properly mounted, it will says there, if it's not gonna work, guys. So here, this is all the setup, the function. So I already make it landscape. I can turn it turn into the portrait. Yun, guys. The function of this one is to make your camera, landscape and portrait. Start videoing, on and off, throttle put in down, putting it, for example, wanna make it a little down. Up, sorry. And then, it is already to make a little down. There you go. You see? And then, I will start making a video. I'll put it as a landscape and make a video, guys. What you're gonna press is this one. Okay, it's starting to have a video. So, what's the use of at the back? I'm telling you earlier, this one, guys, is to make it, to focus the cube one, the square. That one, so I'll press it to make it focus on me, to make it follow. I'll make it follow me. Okay, here. Okay. Take a look. It's front of me. I'll make this follow me, guys. Give me a minute. Oh, there. I got the cube one to make it follow me. Here. Okay. See? You see? It's moving. Yan guys, that's the function of this one. Until you keep moving, it will follow you guys and make the phone automatically prompt to you. And I will start making a video. There you go. And then it will start again moving while you keep walking wherever you go. You see? That is guys. So, and go on while you want, how long you want to make a video. So, I'll start to stop the video. Press again this button. So, the video stop. And then, if you wanna stop all of it later, I will tell you how to do and how to end this, okay? Everything I showed you guys there, the button, the function. Again, this is the throttle for up and down your phone. Zooming the video, I'll try to zoom it so you could see, guys. See, make it, oops, far. Normal is 1.0, like that. And then again, this is the on and off power. Up and down your phone, start and stop the video, turning back in front the camera, and then make it landscape or portrait. And then at the back, guys, is to use that, you see that cube one, that the function of the button at the back to make it focus to the object or to the people that you're taking video with. Okay? So now, this is all for now that I'm going to share you, because I'm still learning while I'm using this, guys. I already showed you and tell you the basic, so I wish you learn. And I'll be more update you guys, whatever I could found or I will found to this. Right now, I will try to end this, and then my tummy is bigger. Take a look. I will end this, guys. Just off it. There you go. So, okay. So, yun na po yun. That's all that I could show you. Nakita yung tiyan kong malaki doon sa picture. But anyway, it's fine. So, yun guys. I wish guys meron po kayong natutunan kahit konti. Medyo may konting kaguluhan. But again, we'll fix it sooner the next video, guys. And I'll watch it whatever before I uploaded it to make it clear, guys. Oh my God. At ang hirap. Because when there's no one with taking photo with you, talagang naapektuhan yung video yung, but we'll make it better. And I wish you learned something, guys, whatever all I've shown you. This is just for now. I've learned for the few weeks I'm using this. I wish may natutunan po kayo and you really learned something to this. And just, I'm open to accept or to read your comment, whatever your concern, your comment about me regarding this tutorial that I made for you guys. If it may not be perfect, but I'm always willing to keep to learn more, and you guys, your help, I could get it all. I could learn much about this gadget. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you learn a lot. The way I do this, sorry for some a little bit inconvenient, but I wish I made it better in a little way, and you understand all the function of this DJI, and then I'll dismantle it for you to show how could easily, slowly, keeping it for you to avoid ruining it, okay? Let you look, I'll let you look, guys. I'll dismantle it first. Hold it like this. You could remove first the cell phone. Just slowly lang. Next time, as earlier, I have trouble because sometimes it is really, the phone it is really important to be mounted enough and the magnetic could properly attach there. It won't work unless you, it won't properly attach there. That's why time to time we need to check it. So I'll remove it here. And then I will dismantle it, guys. Then, how to close it? This is very important. As you could see the part here, this is the lock. So how? Let me show you. It's locked. So that's it. Thank you so much. I wish you learned something. I love you all, guys. Thank you for not getting tired of watching my video. And I'll let you more whatever I've learned about it, more and more. And I'll gonna give it to you and share it to you guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. Keep Always choose to be good. Life is beautiful. Advance a very Merry Christmas to everybody. And stay happy. Life is too short. Love you all and God bless. Bye-bye.